Myntri Rangbah Khubor Konrad ki Sangma haga khat khandai terik jemang arajar arpusan ula jurup eka Shillong Engineering College kabadon hamaulai kenton masar ban pej benya eka jingtai eka ni ke college kabalayo eka jing menjur na ka All India Council for Technical Education ban Sdang no eka undergraduate course haga Civil Engineering and Electrical Engineering jong snem arajar arpusan arajar arpunriu. Hakani kesngi la senran lang deki officer ke education department bat Shillong Polytechnic bat nakani ke college ki consultant ki nohikai jong di ke college ban sngau thu bat tipsha ye jingdon kam kani ke college. Myntri Rangbah ulapen pau ye jing kemen ke bakrau ban Sdang no shen ye ki class hau NAILAR mentau snem arjar arpusan.
You buy them twice or thrice. So you make sure that whatever you buy the best. And again, I'll support in every possible way for that. We don't want to compromise, because when we start compromising, then we're compromising on the quality, and we compromise on our overall structure, compromise on our the education quality we're giving. So I don't want to do that. I've told everybody, whether it's the medical college, whether it is this, that we will now make everything at national, if not international, at national standards, so that we are comparable to any other engineering college, even better than them. This is what I want. So therefore, let's not compromise. Let's make sure that we do it properly. And yeah, so I just wanted to once again reiterate to our director. I know I wanted to tell you, you are doing a job very well. That we must stick to timeline. We have to stick. We want to, at any cost, we have to start. And so you have.
So we are here in the Shillong Engineering College premises, and we have come to see the overall infrastructure set up. And as you all know, that the All India Council for Technical Education has approved the college and at least for certain courses that we can start now. And with this approval from the AICTE, we'll be able to start the academic year from this year itself. So sometime around August, post-August 15th, the classes will start. And therefore I have just come to see whether the arrangements are sufficient and whether anything needs to be done to ensure that the classes can start smoothly. And that is my purpose of my visit, and I'm very happy that the department has worked very hard, number one, to get this approval, and number two, they have also made necessary arrangements so that classes will be able to start. This is a very important phase and a step for us from the education point of view, and we've been waiting for this very long, and I'm very happy that finally the Shillong Engineering College will start and classes will resume from this academic year.